Things is in law.
Does you
Hard. Come over. Everyone got the money.
老去want this money.
Don't go. Everyone worked hard to get money. It was supposed to be.
队长。Everyone clean up.
Don't worry about it. Go.
You Public Security Course Wang Zhihiyo. You violate the law. Take away.
Why arrest people? Why do you catch people?
Why arrest people?
Why do you catch people?
Why do you catch people?
Take away.
Mom, I have to take away.
Sister-in-law, what should I do?
Right, what should I do? Lin Nai this money. We haven't come back for months. There was also a conflict with Mr. Jiang's people, with his character. I won't give us money easily. But Lao Xuan brought the money back. This thing is definitely not simple. I guess he offended Mr. Jiang.
Even if you offend Mr. Zhang, why is the security team taking the people away?
Wang Ting Group has great wealth and power. Take both black and white.
They are a nest of snakes and rats.
What the... I've heard of the security team. Brother Zhuang is afraid of it.
Lina, don't worry. Lao Xuan brings us out of the mountains. Take us to work and make money. We will try our best to save him.
Sister-in-law, don't worry. Brother Zhuang, we must save it. But how to save?
The cause of this incident is this money. We'll return the money. Mr. Jiang may let go of Lao Chuan.
What are you waiting for? Everyone takes out the wages I paid today. Sister-in-law, this is mine.
This is
mine.
Cornstarch seems to be not the way to the security team. 黄泉的路. This is the way to the ultimate